Is your Google form link too long and messy? Let me show you how to shorten it and give it a custom name. First, open the Google form you want to share. Once it's open, let's grab the link. Click the link icon. Here, tick the box that says Shortened URL. Copy the URL. Now, you'll have a smaller link, but it's still not that easy to remember or type. To fix that, open a new tab and search for Tiny URL in Google. This will let us create a custom name for the link. Paste your link. Then type in your own alias at the end just to make sure it's available. Once that's done, it's just one more click. Click Shorten URL, and your new custom link is ready. Copy it, and now you've got a clean, easy to share link for your form. And that's how you rename or customize your Google Link form. Super handy for sharing with students, teammates, or clients.